Hey everyone, I'm Shamon Dae, and I make videos about various topics, but today I'm doing something a little bit different. Today I thought I'd start a new video series about my channel's journey to getting monetized. I currently have 500 total subscribers, and I know I've had 8 new subscribers within the past, I think, 28 days. So I started this channel back in 2010 and posted my first video on September 3rd. My niche at the time was music. And for those that don't know, I've been a hip hop artist for years. And now I'm more on the back end of just writing and consulting at times. But YouTube was a place where we learned how to share our videos that would get some eyes on it. So we would shoot them, upload them, and share them to anyone that could and would watch them. So some of my old ones are still up, and I'm just gonna kind of leave them. But we were just kind of learning about the platform. A lot of people didn't understand it at the time, so they would look at us crazy, but hey, it is what it is. But I was uploading then. I didn't have a real defined method to my madness when I started, so I didn't have a lot of video skills, but now I use CapCut. So I'm just trying to do like AI art, motivational content, and reviews is what you'll see now. So for those that don't know, to get monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours within a 12 months period. So my goal for this channel is to get that within maybe the end of the year, hopefully, but I'll post some stats when I get back home. But just out walking, trying to get some more exercise in than I have been in the past. So I decided to make this video series for anyone that's thinking about restarting a YouTube channel, or that has a small channel just trying to get monetized. So I'm right there with you in the fight. So I'll be posting 2 videos per week, likely on Mondays and maybe Wednesdays, sharing my channel stats and progress. And I'll also continue publishing 1 video per week on my usual topics as well. So I'll see you once I get back inside with my actual numbers. Okay, so just like I promised, I am in my system now. So as you can see, let me get to my analytics here. Where is that? All right, these are my analytics, and I'm still changing a lot of stuff. So, okay, so I'm at 797 views, 19.1 watch time, up 8 subscribers, and I have actually 502 subscribers, so that helps. Yeah, one of my videos is doing way better, and other one, it's not doing too great, but it's okay. So my thing is, I just want to start creating the content. I'm not really focused on the numbers as much. I'm just really trying to get myself out of my box to make sure that I'm actually recording and uploading. But like I said, I'll be coming back every week, and hopefully my numbers will start climbing so I can kind of see what I need to do. Maybe I need to upload a lot more, but with my time, I just want to give myself at least once feels perfect. 2, I feel I can do the 2, of course. So anything beyond that, it might be kind of pushing it, but hey, we're going to get these numbers up. So I appreciate anybody that has subscribed, and as soon as I get some more information next week, I will come back and share it with you guys. I appreciate y'all. Peace.